Hey everyone, in today's video, I wanted to show you how to apply for the Apple credit card that was rolled out in August of 2019. I want to show you some of the benefits of it and some of the downsides of getting the card before you apply. I'm here on apple.com, but I'll show you exactly where to apply right on your phone. And you could technically press apply now on this link that I've included below, and that will launch your settings app and show you exactly where to apply. But let me show you a couple of important things before you actually apply. The very useful thing here is the Apple credit card will break down all your things with their category and with color coding. So here you'll see exactly what you spend money on, all the transactions under that category, and they're easily understood because of this color coding. It also says that you get cashbacks with no points and no gimmicks and no fees, so that is very helpful. So I'm gonna press learn more here because I wanna show you exactly the amount of cashback that you will get. That is one of the most essential parts when you apply for a credit card. So here are your cashbacks. You have 3% back when you use the App Store or iTunes or anything from apple.com. Basically any Apple product will get you 3% cash back. So if you buy an iPhone for $1,000, that is $30 back in your wallet. 2% cash back on everything that you use Apple Pay for. So again, that's almost everything nowadays, and 1% cash back on things that you cannot use Apple Pay for. And they're rolling out things like 3% cash back on Uber and things like that as you start using the card. And the APR on this card, basically if you don't pay off the amount that you owe each month, is between 13% and 22% depending on your credit. And in order to get the card, they will run a credit check, so it's based on your credit score, but they do accept a big wide range of credit scores, so your best bet here is to apply. And is issued by Goldman Sachs, and if you've never heard of them, they're an investment bank, and this is their first consumer-based card. Okay, finally, let's go ahead and apply for the card here. So on your phone or iOS, go ahead and press settings here on your phone. And we basically want to go to the Wallets app. So you should have an app called Wallet and Apple Pay. If you press that under settings, it takes you to Wallet and Apple Pay, and you could add any card here, but you could also apply for the Apple credit card here. So right here, I'm going to press add card, and here I'm going to press continue. I could press credit or debit card to add any regular card, but to apply for the Apple credit card, I could just press Apple card here. And here it's going to tell you a little bit more about it, such as having unlimited daily cash and no fees. You could read the rates and terms right here if you press that option on the bottom of it. So it's going to again tell you the APR based on your credit and how to avoid paying interest, for example, paying off your card each month. You could see here there are no fees, not even hidden fees. So you can press done when you read that and press continue. And then on this page, it will most likely pull up your information from your Apple ID from your email if you're logged into your Apple ID. But go ahead and type in this information. I'm not going to go through the same process here to apply, but it's basically going to ask for your information, your social security number, in order to do a credit check. But this process of applying is really simple. You'll just have to fill in these forms. And once you do, your Apple credit card will show up right here under payment cards, and you could start using Apple Pay and the Apple credit card to pay for your items. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for daily tech and social media videos, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.